No matter what you do, at some point you have always wanted to make videos of the topics that you are most passionate about and share them with others. Well, I'm going to help you. I will take you organically in my PAP framework, a standardized set of criteria defined by my experience to achieve an elegant result in a short time. This framework is divided into 3 stages: planning, assembling, and polishing. Each stage introduces strategies, best practices, quizzes, and hands-on projects. This is not just another Davinci class. It is a class specially designed for people totally beginning in editing oriented to YouTube. I will teach you from audio-visual terminology, video editing, effects, audio, color correction. All this using the free but no less powerful version of Davinci Resolve. Learn by doing with the hands-on projects at the end of each stage. You're not alone on this journey. Get feedback along the way and ask questions. Software, workflows, and technical aspects can be demanding factors when it comes to embarking on your first editing experience. So I will focus on making the process as clear and simple as possible. I hope you stay motivated until the end. I can't wait to see your creations. Let's get started.